Okay, I managed to get my oldest bird Angie out for a bath. Yeah, so I'm spraying her with the same stuff. Bird bath. Oh yeah, she's just loving that. Not bad for a 16-year-old bird. She's older than the hills that created her. Oh yeah. Hey Angie, you really like that, don't you? Oh yes. Get them all doing it now. Oh, yeah, look at that. We got them all doing it now. They're all going nuts. They look like a bunch of... Oh, they're probably just loving this right now. Yeah, I'm gonna have 4 soaking wet birds. 3, I'm sorry. Oh yeah, they're just loving this. There's Optimus down there. He's saying the same thing. Yeah, look at that. You know, for a 16-year-old bird, she's got one healthy set of feathers on her. She's not falling apart. Yeah, look at underneath those wings there. Now she just looks all scruffy. And there's Kita, celebrity. She loves doing this. Oh yeah, big falcon bird here. Look at the color layout on her wings. She's just Latino white. Give her a second to spread their wings while I readjust. Oh yeah, they're just loving that. Give them a good soaking. They just love this. How much water's pouring down the side of the cage? Nothing. See, I just put a couple of towels on top of the cage to protect all their toys, keep them dry. The last thing you want is... Oh yeah, now I'm soaked. Yeah, of course the bottom looks pretty gross. That's why they got the nickname Shithawks. Yeah, there they are, little bunkers. Give them another... Look at the chicken wings. Oh yeah, she's just loving this. Yeah, goofy birds. My goofy fucking vultures. Pardon my language. I swear a lot. There you go, Optimus. There you go. Of course, these guys had it right down in the crap. That's just always good. This bird, for some reason, just loves to be upside down. Every time you come to the cage in the morning, give him breakfast, he's hanging upside down. I've had people mistake him as being dead. This one, she just kind of sticks her beak out, opens her beak and gets all evil looking at you. Look at the wingspan on her. What a bird. Between the 3 of them, there's close to 25 years worth of birds sitting here. 25 years. Hey, you want some more? Hey? You want some more? How about you give another shot? Ooh, was it cold? Was that cold? Oh, don't want to spray it. The thing is, when you're spraying them like this, do not ever spray directly in their face, because they'll take that as a hostile gesture and they will attack you. Believe me, I learned the hard way when I first brought them home, especially her. I put water in a tub, similar to that there, and I took a little squeezy, like an eyedropper, and just put some water on her and accidentally sprayed her face, and that bird, she went all Coco Bungo. Second, oh, she wants more. Yeah, it's the first time I've had the yellow one out here sprayed her. She likes to be in the water, but every time I spray her before, she just kind of buggers off and hides. This one here, every time I bring the spray bottle out, it's just like, oh yes, wet bird. Yeah. Make sure too you don't have any electronics laying around, because you can soak the place. Of course, idiot me sprays the outlets. Yeah, of course we'll burn the place down. Lucky for 10-inch insurance. Give you another squirt there, Optimus. It's about 33 degrees out here in the city of Edmonton today. According to the news, the dry line has stalled right over the Edmonton area, and they say at around midnight tonight, if the clouds do break cap, we are going to get some serious weather. I don't know if you can see anything out there. So much crap on that screen needs to be clean, but anyways. We're supposed to get a pretty mean storm tonight because the humidity levels outside right now are so freaking hot. It's making it really warm out. That's what these guys are so wanting to get wet. Come here. You over there on that side, so it'll squirt you on that side. Just give it a minute. I don't like spraying them on this playground. That's why the water gets down there. I'm gonna have to clean that up after. Plus, wood rots quite a bit, really bad. I'm worried about. I usually just take her and throw her on a towel and give her a soaking. Seeing that all three of them are out there, like, she's a little bit older now. So she doesn't like to be handled as much. Like, her feet are really badly gibbled. She was like that when I first got her about 3 years ago. So what I do is I exercise her once in a while. Put bigger perches out for them. Exercise them. Hey, birdies. Here, I'll use the rest of this bottle on you. Hey. You guys are on the bottle. Yeah, that's it. Hose you down. Hose you down. Oh, that just feels good. Maybe I'll throw you guys in the shower. I think they'd love that. There's Optimus back there. He's stereotyping back there. He doesn't like the camera. He likes to be wet. There. That's what a bird looks like after a bath. It's even worse looking than a cat. Now he just looks all evil. Was that good? Eh? Was that good? That bird's just totally psychopath right now. This one here is a male, so in the last couple of days here he's been kind of a chumbawamba with their key to their yuck. Bird water, very good. It's worse than dog water. That bird looks soaking wet. Her nostrils cleared out. That's good. I've been having troubles with her lately. Her nostrils keep buggering up. I've taken her to the vet a few times. They kind of get in there with a special needle and they suck them out. Oh yeah, she loves it a lot. There's nothing worse than seeing a bird having to be held down and stick a Q-tip up her nose. Like I said before, they do kind of psycho. Maybe next time I'll do a video on birds at the vet. Oh yeah, they're almost gone, birds. Oh yeah, that's dirty. Is that good? Pull some of the pin feathers out. That's the first time I've seen him talk.